Good Monday morning, everybody. It's Teacher Shelley. I'm so excited to tell you something that happened yesterday and Saturday. How many of you saw the rocket ship take off from Florida and go up into the sky and out into space and land at the International Space Station, the ISS? It really excites me because my son, my oldest son, used to work for a rocket ship company, and he helped build the windows on the capsule, which is the very top part of a rocket. But that was for a company called Blue Origin. And they don't send astronauts to the International Space Station. But another company does, called SpaceX. And SpaceX sent 2 astronauts to the International Space Station up in space. It's 250 miles up. And what's so cool is it took a day and a night to get there. The astronauts got to sleep in the capsule. But they started off with a rocket. It's very important to have the rocket because the rocket is what takes you up into space. It's like the engine. The biggest part is the engine that holds all the fuel. So when it goes up, let's have a countdown. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This rocket powers the capsule up into space. And the rocket falls back down, actually into 2 parts, and lands with the first part, the bottom part, lands on Earth. And the second part kind of floats around in space and kind of blows up into little pieces. But the part with the people keeps going around trying to find its way to the space station. It actually had to go around the Earth 12 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, until it could meet the International Space Station. Let's pretend my arm is a space station. And it attached itself to the space station. And out came 2 astronauts. Took quite a long time to get the hatch to open. 2 astronauts came out and went inside the International Space Station where there was no gravity. And they floated around and said hello to the other astronauts that were there. And out their window they could see the planet Earth. They probably couldn't see you and I, but they could see Earth. And they're going to work at that space station for several days. It needs to be worked on, and there's other people from other countries that are also there. So I bet our astronauts from the USA are going to need to learn a few new languages. Isn't that awesome, my friends? Okay, are you ready to get started? Let's put your hands up high, put your hands down low, put your hands to the side and wave them to and fro. Put them right together and around and round. Hide them under your bum so they can't be found. Super glue the right cheek, super glue the left cheek. Stick, 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 tap. Where your hands go? Hands in your lap. Good job. Okay, so enough about space. We are now going to be learning all about our friends that we see when the tide goes out, our tide pool friends that don't have backbones. They're called invertebrates. But we're going to start off with plankton today. So super excited. Let's take a look at our letter. I'll grab Mr. Unicorn. Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I'm Mr. Unicorn, and I've got some pretty stars in outer space on my body. Okay, let's read today. All right, friends, don't forget sentences start with the capital and have a word space, word space, word space, end. Hi, boys and girls. What's our end sign? Excited. Today, space is space Monday. What did I choose? Stop sign or period. Okay, we will write lowercase. Uh-oh. I forgot to put it on there, but it's lowercase I. So I'm just going to flip an excited mark upside down and make it be an I. Stop sign. We will learn about, here's our 2-syllable word, plankton. Plankton. Maybe you already know what plankton is. Maybe this will be something new for you. I'm very excited to show you because I bet you've never seen plankton the way we're going to see it. Okay, back to our sentences. Next sentence, we will draw plankton. Excited. Love your teachers. Teacher Shelly Belly today, all by myself at the school. Okay, goodbye letter. Have a good day. Stay up high so we can count the day. I'm sorry if there's a little bit of a glare, but there's the name of the month. June. J-U-N-E. June. And I only see one birthday on our calendar. Forgive me if I'm wrong, but I think the only birthday I have down is Lincoln's. Oh, I can't forget my mommy. Her birthday's June 9th. I better make a birthday cupcake for Grandma Dorothy too. Right, guys? Okay, here's my birthday cupcake. And I'm going to write Grandma Dorothy. So we can make her a card if you want. You can send it in the mail. She's in room 336 at the Mount St. Vincent. Grandma Dorothy's birthday is Tuesday, the 9th of June, and she'll be, oh boy, wait till you hear how old she is. It's getting close to 100. Are you ready? 96 years old. Wow. That's special, isn't it, boys and girls? And she misses you a lot, guys. She keeps wondering when she can come back. And I told her she can't come back till the governor says we can get together in big groups. So, few more weeks, few more months. Alrighty, my friends, we have only one day so far in June. And with our pattern, I picked a purple. Not sure what it is. We'll just call it a purple funny shape, and there's a fish. And the next color tomorrow is going to be orange and then green. So our pattern's going to be purple, orange, green. Purple, orange, green. Okie dokie, I gave you a clue for that. So June 1st is purple. The first day of June. Okay, there we go. June 1st, 2020. Awesome. Alrighty, let's look at the weather today. Oh boy, how many of you got super wet on the weekend? Oh my goodness, I was at Costco and I ran to my car. I thought I was in a monsoon. I was so wet. I had water coming off of my glasses. All right, so today started off as cloudy, but I think it's going to get nicer. And it was about 50 degrees degrees, but it will get warmer. It's June. Pretty soon summer's going to start, so the temperature's going to keep going up. Okay, and I didn't feel any wind, and I didn't pick rain, so I just picked cloudy. So, cloudy, there we go. And maybe you can see up high, cloudy is not as high as windy. Windy's still the winner. Okay, my friends, what else do we need to do today? Should we count by tens? Let's look way over behind my guitar and start with 0, the hero. We've got 0 and plus 10 fingers is 10, plus 10, 20, plus 10, 30 plus 10, 40 plus 10, 50 plus 10, 60 plus 10, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90 plus 10, 100 plus 10, 110, 120, 130, 140, 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147 days of school. We just might make it to 150 this week. Wow, I'm going to pick a blue one for 147 days of school. Alrighty, my friends. Now let's look at our days. Okay, I've got them all right here. What color is Monday? Give you the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What color? You got it. Orange. Monday. Okay. What color is Tuesday? That's tomorrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got it. You guys are quick. Tuesday seems to be the quickest one to remember. Okay. Which one did I lose at the beginning when we started doing remote learning? Do you remember? Yesterday? Yesterday was what color? You got it. Sunday. Beautiful. Okay. And our question is, what do you call something when it changes from that to this? What did we learn that frogs, amphibians, and insects, many insects do, not all insects, but something changes from that to this? Did you say metamorphosis? 5 syllables. Metamorphosis. You got it. And what's exciting this week is we're going to learn that our sea tidal friends, the sea jellies and the crabs and the octopus and the sea stars all go through metamorphosis too. Isn't that awesome? Wow, I just think that's incredible. So I'm hoping all my friends are here today. Why don't we take attendance? We have PM class and AM class. Let's go ahead. We have 1 minute left. Alrighty, I'm going to start with PM first. Here we go. A for Atticus, L for Lincoln, M for Miles, S for Stella, R for Robbie, W for Wally, J for Jillian, L for Lily, M for Mateo, H for Harlow, G for Gabrielle, K for Kyla, C for Chloe, M for Maddie, A for Amaya, L for Lillian, M for Mabel, M for Mars, C for Cooper, E for Eli, T for Tommy, C for Cora, F for Fisher, he moved to Bend, M for Miles, S for Sophie, E for Ever, E for Ella, B for Braxton, W for Wyatt, T for Toggy, M for Maya, E for Evie, A for Aubrey,